Take your torch. And this is, I call it dirty flux. If it doesn't take your solder, you can wipe it.
Oh, cool.
And then it takes it. Yeah. I like to go pretty hot. And heat at the bottom for a while. Then you switch to the top. Switch to the bottom.
So you're mostly hitting it from the bottom though, hey?
That's a little trick, the one-hander.
You always hold your torch in your hand.
You knock your beads off like that. And you can wipe it with the flux and it makes it clean. I'm not real satisfied after you wipe with your flux, so you can do it again.